Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to set up Google reCAPTCHA on your website in Elementor. First, please watch this tutorial on how to get your Google reCAPTCHA API keys. So I'm logged into the WordPress website where I'm going to implement Google reCAPTCHA. I'm in the dashboard area. Go to the Pages section, and here is the contact form page. If you hover over it, you'll see these options here. Click on Edit with Elementor, and it will start loading the page. And here we are in the Elementor page builder. Let me scroll down. So this is the contact form. I'll hover my mouse over the form and click on this Edit button. This will open the form settings. Under Form Fields, click on Add Item. Here is a new item. Let me scroll down. I'll use this drop down, and from this list, I'll choose reCAPTCHA for version 2. And as you can see, this is where the reCAPTCHA checkbox will appear. Finally, click the Update button, and then exit Elementor. Click on Exit to Dashboard, and then click on this WordPress icon. And we are back in the Pages section. Next, hover your mouse over Elementor and choose Settings. This will bring you to the Settings page where you'll see these tabs. Go to the Integrations tab, and in these boxes, we need to enter the reCAPTCHA API keys. So I'll head over to Google reCAPTCHA. I'll copy the site key. I'll head back to WordPress, enter the site API key here, head back to Google reCAPTCHA, copy the secret key, head back to WordPress, enter the secret API key here. I'll scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. And that's pretty much it. Now if I go back to the website, to the contact form page, you can see that Google reCAPTCHA checkbox has been added here. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.